Hello everyone and welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm your host, Alex. Today, we're diving into a fascinating article by Google Research titled Understanding Transformer Reasoning Capabilities via Graph Algorithms, published December 20th, 2024. This post explores how transformers, known for their prowess in language tasks, surprisingly excel at graph-based algorithmic tasks like checking connectivity or finding the shortest path. The researchers aim to understand this unexpected capability through both empirical experiments and theoretical analysis, comparing transformer performance to more specialized graph neural networks. This figure illustrates how the researchers represent a graph problem for the transformer. We see a sample graph labeled Graph G with nodes V1 through V8. The task posed is to determine if nodes V2 and V4 are connected. So essentially, they're translating a visual graph representation into a format understandable by the transformer model, framing it as a question about connectivity. So this figure compares the performance of large language models, like Palm 2, with specifically trained transformers on various graph tasks. Alright, looking at retrieval tasks, like counting nodes or edges, the trained transformer significantly outperforms Palm 2, even with limited training data. Then, for parallelizable tasks, such as checking connectivity, again, the smaller trained transformer excels, especially with more data, highlighting its efficiency in these types of problems. This figure further explores performance across different architectures and tasks. Okay, so using 100,000 training samples, we see how different graph neural networks and transformers stack up on node degree, cycle check, and connectivity tasks. Notice that for connectivity, which requires analyzing relationships across the entire graph, the transformer significantly outperforms the other architectures, supporting the idea of its strength in handling global, long-range dependencies. This figure presents a hierarchy of graph tasks, categorized by the complexity of the transformer required. At the core, we have retrieval tasks, solvable by simple, shallow transformers. Moving outwards, parallelizable tasks, like connectivity, need slightly deeper but still narrow transformers. Finally, the outermost ring represents search tasks, demanding both depth and larger width in the transformer architecture, making them most complex. This visualization nicely summarizes the theoretical findings, showing how transformer architecture scales with task complexity. So, building on all the figures and experiments we've discussed, this research from Google really highlights the surprising strength of transformers in graph-based reasoning. Well, they not only perform comparably to specialized graph neural networks, but even outperform them on tasks involving global relationships, like connectivity. Okay, so, key takeaway number 1. Transformers are more versatile than previously thought. And, number 2, their efficient handling of long-range dependencies opens exciting possibilities for tackling complex graph problems in various domains. Thanks for tuning in to the AI Research Roundup. This is Alex, signing off.